Good morning and welcome to this format conversation on the retail Parivartan. I'm thankful to Train for inviting me to speak and share my thoughts with you, the learned gentry. And it's a privilege to be all of us standing together in this tough times and being able to help each other. The whole concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat being spoken to about the Prime Minister is quite an encouraging and bold initiative, which all of us have stood by, and we are helping augment the infrastructure in the country, the retailer connecting the consumers in our own way with the digitization of the ecosystem. Digital is no more a future plan. It is almost like saying we are living in the digital age and everything is digital. There is a huge impetus on the Atmanirbharta that our leaders have been talking about, and all of our retail partners have been helping India to become Atmanirbhar. Thankfully, the last mile farming has continued to sustain the food grains for us, and all our retailers have been helping to sell, distribute, provide the essential commodities to the citizens. So that everyone is able to remain stable in the difficult times that we are facing. The whole story of OCEN and the visible digital, where on the basis of a retailer's transaction data, which is recorded on a digital platform, one is able to get easy access to credit. There are multiple fintechs working closely with the banks and with us, for example, to reach out to our retail partners. And we are able to help of course, with the consent of a retailer. The data is made available on the OCEN platform, using which the banks and the credit bureau are able to provide relevant credit score and the loanability, credibility of each store. Basis this, needless to say that one can get a little more working capital and do better stock management at the retail shops, be it in apparel or in grocery or whatever genre you call. Everyone is able to have easy access to the credit through OCEN platform. That said, there are multiple other innovations happening in the fintech space with the help of your POS transactions that you are processing to accept digital payments from your customers, or you are able to use any of our QR codes all on the UPI platform of NPCI. You will be able to share your data of the digital payouts or receipts that your customers are making in your area. So come onto the digital platform, harness the fintech to the fullest, and add additional revenue. See, the core of India resides in villages is well spoken of and known. The beyond rural villages, the tier 3-4 towns, which has good education system, which gives feeder resources to the industries both in tier 3-4 and in urban towns. In the current crisis, if we see, most of our working force in urban towns have gone back to the tier 3-4 towns. The youth, the sales teams in various job roles in retailing and other industries have all folded back because of course, the job losses and the less work in the current times that has made people to go back to tier 3-4 towns. Now, if you see that this whole infrastructure of banking remaining skewed in urban, there is a time now that we can unite and work together as a force multiplier, and in tier 3-4 and beyond towns, build infrastructures with help of retail partners. So the opportunities in tier 4-5 towns and back of beyond, even Reserve Bank of India has announced a payment infrastructure development fund, PIDF, for tier 5 towns and beyond, if we are able to capacitize and build the infra for digital capabilities in those towns. So the opportunity for the tier 3-4-5 towns and the youth present in there is to work with companies like us, PayNearby, and be able to train more retailers to double up as a banking outlet, to double up as an e-commerce platform, and help people buy grocery digitally by using the Buy Nearby platform app, which is on Android and iOS both, or by becoming a digital touch point themselves, where citizens are able to come and put thumb or card swipe and withdraw cash, thereby leading to an income to the retail partners, and or giving cash as deposit in their account. There are stories and stories where earlier we used to remit money from Surat to the families back home in Bengal. But in the COVID times, where the citizens in Surat are stuck, in the diamond industry people are stuck, the families back home in Bengal are able to remit money back through our touch points to the bread earner in Surat. So a lot of new things have come up, innovative use cases have come up as a connect between the tier 3-4 towns and the urban towns. So the great opportunity for the retailers to become a banking touch points, serve the citizens digitally, and earn extra income, extra credibility through this whole program, Pay Nearby. During COVID, we saw that most of the urban center workforce was moving to the tier 3-4 towns back, which is where most of the workforce comes from. The educated, well-trained resources from the engineering and medical colleges contributed from the tier 3-4 towns aspire to work in urban centers. Of course, because of COVID, people had to go back. At Pay Nearby, what we saw, essentially few things which were very starking, where in our remittance business, which is originated from urban, Mumbai or Surat or Pune, and the money is sent back to the family in the tier 3-4 towns back home. We saw there was a sudden dip in the remittance business because people were not earning, people did not have jobs, or people were themselves on a sustenance mode. And this was no-brainer. I spoke to Train, and we realized that just about on 1st May, the Labor Day, that it is important that if we are able to connect people onto a platform and help them get jobs in the place where they are. So we announced Jobs Nearby program, where people could come to my retail touch points at the shop nearby, wherever, and register that, yes, I am a salesman, I am a plumber, I'm an electrician, I'm a cashier, or I was a construction worker. One could find a relevant job in Bahrain also, or in a small place like Khagadia also. So the retailers helped the citizens come and get a job opportunity. In the same very COVID time, we, while having engineering on our program Pay Nearby, which is essentially to help the retailers come onto a digital platform and sell like any e-commerce platform, rather than a dark store warehouse go down, each retailer becomes a digital uplift platform. And we expedited the launch of Pay Nearby program during May-June time, and we saw a sudden spurt, a good catch-up, growth in the retailing with our Pay Nearby program, where retailers were able to apply this innovative technology and sell, and especially in the tier 3-4 towns, where people, the e-commerce has not impacted as much, but the retail partners in 3-4 towns were able to relate to it and adopt easy to use technology. Using this, not only retailers are able to sell digitally, they are also able to maintain a khata of the retailer in the same app. They are able to receive digital payments or cross-sell them micro insurance of 500-600 rupees for COVID protection or for two-wheeler bike insurance, etc. So the tier 3-4 towns have really emerged as a power center for giving growth to the GDP of the nation. While the most of the work has been concentrated in urban centers, and there have been pipes of services in tier 2, 3, 4 towns, but this time the force multiplier has come from the 3rd, 4th tier towns, where even the population has, the educated working class has fallen back as a respite in these towns, and the retail workforce has collaborated to build a digital infrastructure. So amazing outcome is being observed in these tough times. Innovation कोई एक अकेले का काम नहीं है, ये एक कोलैबोरेशन का काम है. कुछ हम करें, कुछ आप करिए, और मिलकर के भारत को सशक्त करें. जो ये आत्मनिर्भरता है, ये अकेले से नहीं आती है. आत्म सिर्फ अकेला नहीं है. आत्म इज अ सोसाइटी, अ कम्युनिटी एज वेल। तो मिलकर इनोवेशन करें और साथ में भारत का उत्थान होगा। यू सी, हमने एक इनोवेशन किया बाय नियर बाय, उसमें हमारे ही किसी रिटेलर ने कहा आप इसमें अपना खाता भी जोड़ दीजिए। उसी में हमारे किसी रिटेलर ने कहा कि आप ये एक और सर्विस डिजिटल पेमेंट की उठा करके ऐड कर दीजिए। तो हम एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म इसको बिल्ड करते जा सकते हैं। थोड़ा हमने किया, थोड़ा आप भी करिए। और रिटेलर्स बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट इनपुट्स देते हैं, बहुत ही कार्यान्वित रूप से इसको जब हम इसको जोड़ते हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म से, तो एक काफी बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्ड हो रहा है साथ में। सो आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर साथ में जुड़ करके हम काम करें। चलिए आइए। So here is a request that this retail Parivartan program is about a unification and togetherness, where all of us, all retailers from Jalna, from Nandgaon, from Surat, or from Churu, or from Fatehpur, everyone can collaborate on this common platform, the retail Parivartan platform, and help augment the growth and the revival of the economy together. So come join the program and let's build the nation together.